Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 11 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 14:30 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT. Spain's consumer price index will be released at 7 GMT. Spain's harmonized index of consumer prices at 7 GMT. The UK's 10Y bond auction at 9:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Crude oil futures climbed, lifted by a temporary cut in US-China tariffs and a better-than-expected inflation report. The two benchmarks rose strongly in the previous session after the US and China agreed on sharp reductions to their import tariffs for at least 90 days. The US dollar fell after data showed US consumer inflation picked up less than expected in April, when President Donald Trump unveiled a raft of tariffs that have wrought havoc on global markets. Bitcoin has seen its largest 30-day illiquid supply increase of the current bull market. Illiquid supply now stands at 14 million BTC, more than ever before. Whales are still accumulating as the price returns to six figures.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar-yen pair exploded 1.7% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. After a 1.1% dip during the last session, the Bitcoin-dollar pair closed 2% in the red. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair fell 1.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.7% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil rise 0.9% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.